Right, okay. So we're back in here in the man cave once more, and
Sarge's man cave. Not Sarge's manhole.
I wouldn't want to be in Clinton's manhole. So, this is his project, so he can tell you all about it while I mix this epoxy up.
If you remember from the earlier clip, Broken Knife, Broken Heart, this is the knife, the Damascus knife from Perkins Blades that my daughter bought me for Father's Day last year. I've been working away on different scales. One of the guys from work gave me a bit of beech, and I've got those cut as scales, but I didn't like it. And a lot of guys commented, especially the Sarge, the last time that antler was the way to go.
Yeah.
So, processed, cut, clean, shape, 2 pieces of antler for the scales. Brought them down here to a real man cave. You know, a real man cave made out of brick and mortar.
Yeah.
With power tools and electric and lights and really strong smelling glue.
Yeah, man.
So we're gonna stick these scales on and see how we go. See if we can give life to this knife again and get it back out in the field. We're looking along the lines of something really good here, because this is the knife that Kev from Kev Outdoors gave me. Absolutely love it. We antler blade. I'm sticking antler on my Damascus, and the fire steel on the sheath that the Sarge built is antler. So deers better beware. Hi guys, just a little bit of futtering.
We like futtering.
Futtering in the man cave.
It's a Northern Irish word. It's Ulster Scots. It's not a proper language.
It's a proper language. Futtering, to futter, to do stuff without point or reason. Look it up in any dictionary.
Ulster Scots dictionary, if you can find one.
Okay, so yeah, we have we have a new handle on the Damascus blade, which we're just buffing up at the minute. I got the horn.
He has. It's because he's in the manhole.
Antler from Tom. We've got our hacked up, cut up, moulded into shape, stuck on, just buffing up now, cleaning up now. We've had a good afternoon, buddy, haven't we?
It's been great.
Yeah.
It's been great.
Futtering.
Futtering.
And this is my walking stick staff come totem pole that Wayne's oiling up for me.
I'm just giving it a rub.
With his rubbing stick. Anyway, we're having lots of fun. We're just catching up. We haven't seen each other in a long time. Finishing.
Finishing oil.
Because it'll be finished.
It will be.
When it's oiled. We haven't caught up in a long time, so this is just, the families are in cooking.
Women.
And doing women stuff in the woman
man stuff.
Cave, and we're in the man cave doing man stuff.
Knives and wood and leather.
And the children are causing chaos.
Yes.
So everybody's doing what they should.
Absolutely.
Catch you in a minute.
Bless you guys. Just a little bit of polishing to do, because I have scratched the brass and a bit of the tang there, but it's coming along nicely. This knife is going to have a new life. Perkins Blades, your customer service sucks. It sucketh to the max. But
your per customer service, initiate it, the thought processes, the creative juices, and the plan behind new scales, which I actually think look a lot better and tie in nicely with the rest of my kit. So yeah, you suck. I'll not be using you again, and I wouldn't recommend you to anyone, but that's your choice. Some more playtime I think needed with this.
Shiny.
Gian, stick the kettle on, love.
Oh, massive.
Okay guys, still at the Sarge's man cave. It's just gone past 8. Been out here for about 5 hours. We've had fun, we've had food, we've had lots of fellowship, and it's been a great day. The project, oh, and we've swapped coats. The project was to get the old Perkins, do not buy Perkins, Perkins blade back up and give it a new lease of life. I already had the stag antler, fire steel, with the sheath that Sarge made, and the original handle on this knife was bone but fell apart. So we did a wee bit of customising, bit of futtering out in the man shed, as I said earlier, and this is how we finished up. We now have a beautiful antler scale and a lanyard hole, which we didn't have before. Buffed up the brass, just needs a wee bit of a wash down on this, but that's it, it's done. It fits perfectly into the hand. We stropped up the blade so it's paper cut and sharp, and the knife now has a lovely family to nestle in with. We've got the antler knife that Kev from Kev Outdoors gifted me with, which is my neck knife. We have the Damascus and the ferro rod, and the Damascus steel thrown off great sparks. Boys, that was a good day's work and a lot of fun, and a lot of thanks to the Sarge. Catch you later. Thanks guys.